minimize these errors.
Oh, service ace for EJ Laure.
And I've noticed that set.
Nunag. Powerful serve. And what a serve by Cherry Nunag. Ito, miss na natin siguro si Miss Love is in the air lang. Well, after 4 points in last game where she started, we're seeing her slowly get back into formula.
Yan naman yung kailangan din nila, no? Very gradual. Kasi there's a lot of pressure na makabalik from an injury and a lot of pressure to perform. Kaya naman maganda yung nagiging response at results para sa kanila.
Sabi mo, gradual. Well, right now, Dindin Santiago Manabat gradually heating up. Already with 4 points early on. Tied to the net, Molde improvises with the left hand.
Good serve.
Another sharp serve by Dindin. Joust. Mars to the pipe. Cici Rondina out of bounds according to our linesman.
Well, I think it would be safe to call for a challenge. And it's not just one particular player, it's really the team in general. Exchanging errors, but Maika Ortiz finally chipping in the scoreboard with her signature.
Good first ball to the slide. Sent back right away. Ja Maraginot to the open this time, and Chiara Permentini just targeting the hands.
Efficiency ni EJ Laure, talagang you always can count on it. Kahit mga awkward yung sets, ginagawa ng paraan. But this time, no awkwardness there din Santiago Manabat. And right now, we're seeing more contributions from her. Because earlier, it was just Laure, Permentilla, a couple of points from Ebon.
Combination play.
Rondina off the hand of Laure. 9.
Right now, Cici naman babawi.
1-2 play. Alba was ready to give it back to Dindin. Tried to get crafty. Chiara from the back. Oh, Nunag says hello.
Nunag says drop shot.
Kanina, sabi natin, being fast set eh. Wala sila, they don't mind the blockers dahil kayang-kayang ibabawan. So they're playing to their advantage as we see Bang Pineda scoring a point. Sabi nga natin, more contributions from the Chameleons. Let's see if Chocomucho gets to take advantage.
Ja will go back row, and the blockers very much ready.
Aral at pag-a-adjust talaga yung kailangan mo para iwasan yan. But it's a team thing going on right now. Talagang yung energy ng natin kung itong new set of starters for him can do wonders.
To the quick.
And just like that, Anis Guerra converts. Kailangan
that one. But a much needed point nonetheless. Target is Cici. Alba's target is Molde. Sent back by the block. Molde one more time, sent back again. And this time, next side showing us their blocking.
Ball is in.
Well, this is the effect, no? 3 straight points for the Chameleons.
Dindin. Blockers were there, but whistle giving the point to Chocomucho.
Paying off for the team. Daming touches ng blockers.
Ortiz tried touching that, sabi ni Michael Ortiz.
Yeah, but this time, purposes.
Minention talaga sa buong arena na birthday. So we have to mention.
At na age reveal.
The age reveal.
14.
And again, connected purposes.
Minention talaga sa buong arena na birthday. So we have to mention.
At na age reveal.
The age reveal.
14.
And again,
In set 2, just down by 3.
For a time, they were down by, I believe, 7 points in this match.
Oh, right, Jai Atienza.
And like we mentioned earlier, somebody has against Cici.
Momentum on the side of the Chameleons. How will Cici respond? Perez. EJ Laure.
Through the block. Laure.
Ganda ng nagiging body language and overall performance ng next set.
Light digs from Bang Pineda.
That's right. Always when some hero are the defensive specialists and the liberos. But look at the middles of the next set. Chameleons
tied at 20. Maraginot with the full front line. Alba bump set straight to the other side. Regalo
Mahan
happily
takes
accepted by
advantage.
Luna Lumahan.
Pero itong kanilang mga attackers.
Some cushion here for next led. Alba, binalik kay Cici. Intelligent veteran
Rondina.
move.
Well, for CC,
Double figures right here in Cici Rondina, but still down by 1. Ja, EJ, what a play.
A quick
this is what we love to see.
Ibang klaseng countdown naman to. Cici will receive. They go combination play. EJ putting it up. Ja, the setup for Lucille Almonte. Cici says not yet. Isa once again, this
On
time
the line.
straight to the
Ball
pavement.
Ito sila Bang Pineda, EJ Lauren. Nagkakaroon din ng veteran sparks itong next led. And this is the time to show it. And Luna Lumahan
quick tip.
going for those power tips. Kanina niya pa ginagawa.
Esguerra looking to put an end. Alba, the set, the block.
And next leg takes the second
Jai
set.
Atienza
25,
sending it home as next